Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more content about growing online, social media strategies, and building income through digital platforms. Now, here's something most people don't realize about TikTok. Many creators believe that TikTok is already too competitive. They think every niche is saturated and that it's impossible to grow unless you're already famous. But the truth is very different. TikTok is still one of the fastest growing platforms in the world, and new niches are emerging every year. The problem is that most creators keep copying the same content categories: dance videos, lifestyle vlogs, or generic motivation clips. Because everyone is doing the same thing, those niches become crowded very quickly. The real opportunity lies in finding niches that are growing, but not yet oversaturated. These are areas where audiences are hungry for content, but there aren't enough creators providing it yet. In this video, we're going to explore some of the top TikTok niches that are still relatively untapped and can give new creators a strong chance to grow. Why choosing the right TikTok niche matters. Before jumping into the niches themselves, it's important to understand why niche selection is so powerful. TikTok's algorithm works by identifying who your content is for. If your videos clearly belong to a specific niche, the platform can quickly show them to the right audience. When creators post random content about different topics, the algorithm becomes confused. Their videos are shown to inconsistent audiences, which slows down growth. But when you focus on a clear niche, something interesting happens. The algorithm begins to recognize your content style, your topic, and the people most likely to watch it. This increases your chances of going viral and building a loyal audience. AI tools and tech shortcuts. Artificial intelligence has become one of the most talked about topics online. But surprisingly, TikTok still doesn't have enough creators explaining how to use AI tools in practical ways. Many people are curious about tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or AI video editors, but they don't know where to start. Creators who demonstrate simple tutorials, such as how to automate tasks, create designs, or generate content using AI, often attract huge engagement. The reason this niche works so well is that viewers feel like they are learning something useful in just a few seconds. Short videos showing 3 AI tools you should try today, or "this AI trick saves me hours every day" can easily capture attention and drive shares. Digital side hustles. Side hustles are extremely popular online, but many creators still focus on the same outdated ideas. What's growing right now are modern digital side hustles that people can start with minimal resources. Examples include selling digital products, print-on-demand businesses, affiliate marketing, freelancing online. Creators who break down these opportunities into simple, actionable steps often attract audiences who are actively searching for ways to earn extra income. The key to standing out in this niche is clarity and practicality. Instead of vague motivational advice, successful creators explain exactly how to get started. Micro-learning content. One of the fastest-growing formats on TikTok is micro-learning. These are short videos where viewers learn something useful in less than 60 seconds. Examples include language learning tips, psychology insights, productivity hacks, history facts. People love learning quick pieces of information while scrolling. Creators who consistently deliver valuable knowledge in short videos can grow large audiences because their content becomes both educational and entertaining. This niche works especially well when the information is surprising or thought-provoking. Personal finance for beginners. While finance content exists on TikTok, most of it is either extremely advanced or overly complicated. There is a huge audience of people who simply want to understand basic financial concepts in simple language. Topics like budgeting, saving money, avoiding debt, or understanding credit scores are incredibly relatable for everyday viewers. Creators who explain these topics clearly can quickly build trust and credibility. This niche is powerful because financial advice tends to attract long-term followers, not just casual viewers. People return repeatedly to creators who help them improve their financial lives. Storytelling content. Storytelling is one of the most underrated niches on TikTok. Instead of focusing on trends or dances, storytelling creators simply share interesting stories that capture attention. These stories might include historical events, real-life mysteries, inspirational personal experiences, business success stories. The reason storytelling works so well is that it triggers curiosity. When viewers hear the beginning of a compelling story, they naturally want to stay until the end to discover what happens next. This increases watch time, which is one of the most important signals for TikTok's algorithm. Educational explainer videos. Another niche that still has enormous potential is explainer content. These videos answer questions people frequently search for online. Examples include how certain industries work, how products are made, why certain trends happen. A creator might explain how airplanes fly, how cryptocurrencies work, or why certain economic events affect everyday life. When complex topics are simplified into short, easy-to-understand videos, they attract both curiosity and engagement. Quiet productivity and study content. While loud, energetic content dominates much of TikTok, there is a growing audience interested in calm and focused videos. Study routines, workspace organization, and quiet productivity content have gained popularity among students and remote workers. These videos often show simple activities like studying for exams, organizing a desk, planning daily goals. The appeal of this niche lies in its calming atmosphere. Viewers often watch these videos while working or studying themselves. Niche hobby communities. Many TikTok creators overlook smaller hobby communities, but these audiences can be incredibly loyal. Examples include gardening tips, aquarium care, DIY crafting, mechanical restoration. Because these communities are passionate about their interests, they engage heavily with content related to their hobbies. Even though the audience may be smaller than mainstream niches, the engagement rate is often much higher. How to choose the right niche for you? While these niches have strong potential, the most important factor is choosing a topic you can consistently create content about. If you select a niche purely because it's trending, you may struggle to produce videos long-term. The best niches combine three elements: audience demand, low competition, personal interest. When you care about the topic you're creating content around, the process becomes much easier and more sustainable. Consistency is more important than virality. Many new creators believe that success on TikTok depends on one viral video. But in reality, most successful accounts grow because they post consistently. The algorithm favors creators who upload regularly and build a recognizable style. Instead of chasing viral trends every day, focus on producing consistent content within your chosen niche. Over time, your audience will grow as viewers recognize and trust your content. TikTok is far from being saturated. The platform continues to evolve, and new niches emerge as technology, culture, and online behavior change. The biggest mistake new creators make is copying what everyone else is already doing. The real opportunity lies in finding growing niches with unmet demand and providing valuable content consistently. Whether it's AI tools, personal finance, storytelling, or educational content, there are still many spaces on TikTok where new creators can thrive. Success doesn't come from trying to reach everyone. It comes from finding the right audience, delivering value, and building trust with viewers over time.